Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. We all are very familiar to TikTok these days. Creating a fund on TikTok typically refers to starting a crowdfunding campaign or fundraising initiative on the platform. If you are a content creator on TikTok but your creator fund earnings are not showing up, then you are into the right video. In this video, I will show you guys how you can simply fix creator fund not showing up on TikTok. For the complete process, stay with me till the end. First, open up TikTok application. Now go to your profile by tapping it on bottom right corner. After this, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. From the settings and privacy, look at report a problem. Now tap on it. You will get to see create tools option. Tap it. Now tap on others and again tap on need more help link. Now here write the problem that you have been facing, including your screenshots or images of the issue from the given options, and then tap on submit button. You can also update your TikTok if it's not updated, because you might be facing such problems due to bugs or glitches on TikTok, so updating the application might help. After your report is submitted or sent, TikTok will respond back to you within couple of days. So this is it for today guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you all guys like the video. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated.